an optimized way. So you can see we have to return the indexes that is equals to target. So you can see target is 9 and we have to return two indexes which is 2,7 would be equals to 9. Then target is 6. So 2,4 would be equals to 6. Then we can return it simply here. The same case 3,3. So let's try to write the optimized code. Initially we solved it using a brute force where we utilize two for loops. Now for this case we have to optimize it somehow. So for this we can go with approach like complement. So now let's try to figure it out. So here you can see we have a target is defined, so we can do something like target is equal to target minus index. So for simplicity height is equals to 3, then we can get 3 here. Now in the next iteration we get 2, target is equals to 4. So if you can see we have a 4 in our array, so this means this should return true. So using complement approach we can simplify this. So hopefully you get it. So for this case let's take an example of this here as well. Okay, so in the first iteration our target value now is 7. Okay, sorry, 9. So 9 minus 2 would be equals to 7. So here you can see we already have a 7 here. So this should, so using I and j value we can return it simply 7 plus 2 is equals to 9, right? So we can utilize this approach to simplify our problem. So let's write a pseudocode for this, a simple for loop, and then we have to save uh, our value because we need index in the next iteration as well. Ith index is equals to 0, right? So we can store it using a simple map or object in JavaScript, we say. So let's define a complement. Complement would be equals to target minus nums ith index, right? And simply we have to check if map complement exists, then it should return map complement along with index. So you can see in the first iteration we get a 2, right? So complement would be target minus sum would be equals to 7, but we don't have a 7 in our map, so this would not return true, right? Here is 7 and we have to push our current indexes here map. So here we can push it nums ith index along with index value. So this would save 2, 0, right? 2, 0 index. So in the next iteration we get a 7 value. Target would be 7. 7 minus nums I would be equals to 7 minus 2. Target 9 minus 7 would be equals to 2, right? Previously we have a 2, 0 in the map value. So when we do a map array complement, save as a key, right? So this will return true, right? We can simply then return map complement, which gives us a 0th index, and we can return the current index, which is equals to 1. So the output would be 0, 1 written from here. Hopefully you get it. Let's try to write a solution for this. Let map is equals to here, and then for let I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, and then can complement target minus nums ith index if map array ith complement exists, then simply we can return uh, map array I. So then we can simply return map ith along with current index. Else simply we have to uh, map value here, map I. Simply we have to do map nums I. This would save like this, 2 comma 0. Let's try to run this. Okay, okay, why is not returning if maps are complement? Okay, but we have done for let I equals to 0 dot complement is equals to target minus nums I. Let's return check what we have done wrong here. So we have to do a map. Okay. Here you can see we have saved 2 comma 0. Okay, now for map array complements, it's a string might be this is causing an issue. So for this we can it's map array complement. So the issue is like map array not equals to undefined, it's saving 2 comma 0 and then returning all the things looks good, and then we can try it one more time. Yeah, hopefully this work. Okay, in JS we have to simply do this map not equals to undefined. You can see the time complexity is equals to of n, and space complexity is O of n as well, because we are storing it in a map.